Hi, Kelly here from freebiefindingmom.com, and thank you for joining me for another Friday session of Money Talk, where we get together on Fridays and usually go over typically a couple of the more popular finance or money related questions here on the Freebie Finding Mom Facebook page. So by the way, as you watch this video, if you will, please give it a like or a heart. I would appreciate it, and share it to your Facebook page if you find it helpful for you. Thank you for doing that. So the first question we have comes from Leslie. Leslie wants to know, she said, can we talk year-end teacher gifts? How much of a gift card do you give the homeroom teacher versus the para-educators, music teacher, etc.? Thanks. So Leslie, it sounds like your kids are still in school like my son is, so for at least another couple more weeks. So I will share with you what we are doing. I'm one of the room moms, so I'll share with you kind of our school's policy and what we're doing as far as giving, but you guys had some good suggestions, so I want to go through those first. Melinda said, as a teacher now and former paraeducator, even a $5 gift card means the world, and we don't compare amounts. She said, even a simple heartfelt thank you note is wonderful. Yaya said we do $50 at the end of the year. She said $30 on their birthday if the teacher announces the birthday. Danielle says she has 3 in elementary school, and she said they just give a gift to the primary teachers, and they stay around $10 per teacher. And Jennifer said they only give a gift to her son's primary teacher and the bus driver. Good reminder, Jennifer. I always try to do really well by the bus driver too, because he obviously is crucial to making sure, you know, my son gets to and from school safely, and that means everything. So so don't forget the bus drivers. And she said usually spend no more than $20 on each. And she said sometimes they'll either buy supplies to make a gift, or they'll support a local business and get something more personal. So thank you guys for sharing what you do for teacher gifts. So what our school's policy is, and this I was recently only informed of, is that you can only give $20 per family to each teacher. So that's the max. Now I will say I was not informed of that at Teacher Appreciation Week time, so I gave more than that, but that is going to probably be what we all do for the end of the school year gifts. So $20 is the max. We'll probably give our primary school the primary teacher for like my son, but then I'm collecting those funds, and I'll just go get a gift card for the teacher. And then for like para-educators or music teachers, art teachers, gym teachers, all that, I would say $5 to $10, but it really depends obviously on your budget, how many kids you have. I have 1, but if you have 3 or 4 kids, that's definitely going to make a difference as to how much you're going to be able to give. But like Melinda said, as a teacher herself and former paraeducator, just a note, even just letting them know like how much you really appreciate everything they did the entire school year is very, very meaningful. So whatever you can afford, Leslie, but that kind of gives you some ideas. It sounds like most of us are anywhere from $5 to $20, depending if it's a primary teacher or if it's like another subject, you know, like gym or art or something like that. So I hope that helps you. All right, next question comes from Tori. Tori said she's gained about 25 pounds since last summer, so I need to get a new swimsuit, she says, which I'm not excited about. She said, I'd like to hide in the house all summer, but the kids need to go to the pool, which means she needs a new swimsuit. She said, where can I find nice looking, affordable swimsuits for plus size women? Thank you. You guys had some really, really good suggestions here. So Tori, I hope you find something with all of these suggestions. I bet you will. Bonnie said that her and her daughter shop for swimwear from Women Within and Romans, and she provided the link for Women Within. She went on to say that she's been very satisfied with the fit and coverage and quality of the swimsuits there. She said that this pricing is very reasonable. She said they have a lot of variety of colors and styles. She also mentioned that sign up for their email, and then you'll be notified of sales and promotions and clearance and that kind of stuff. And then Becky said she's found plus size swimsuits on Amazon. I've never bought a swimsuit on Amazon, but I will say I have recently bought some clothing items from there, and I've been pretty pleased and satisfied with the quality. So consider Amazon. We had other votes for Amazon too, if I remember correctly. Melinda also said Amazon was a place that she found a plus size swimsuit as well. Amy said she got one last year from Zulily and she loved it. And I have seen cute swimsuits on Zulily, so that's a good one there. And Charlotte said make sure you get a pretty cover up too, if that's she said if that's something that you don't currently have. She said that she said I have a frumpy looking bathing suit, but man, I can rock that mod looking cover up. So so Charlotte, that's your recommendation. Julia said swimsuitsforall.com. And Beth gave a lot of good suggestions, things like Old Navy and Target and Torrid and Edition L, ModCloth. ModCloth has cute stuff, and ASOS. So Heather said Walmart, you can find some cute plus size swimsuits as well. Rachel said she likes the good selection at Kohl's. And then Cassie also said that she found a plus size swimsuit that she really loves on Amazon. It was $30. She said they had, she did give the recommendation, buy a couple different sizes and then try them, see how you feel most comfortable and what fits you best, and then obviously return the other one. And then Kelly said she found a plus size swimsuit that she likes at Sam's Club, believe it or not. So there's a lot of places, it sounds like, Tori, where you can find pretty and high quality and affordable plus size swimsuits. So I hope you find something with all of those suggestions. As always, thank you guys so much for sharing your thoughts on these questions and for submitting your questions as well. If you have a question you want posted on the Freebie Finding Mom Facebook page, either send me a direct message or an email or leave a comment down below, and I will try to make that happen for you. And like I say, as always, thanks so much for taking the time to comment on everybody's questions and to watch this video. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Bye-bye.